You got I just finished washing it. Just did a basic wash. What they want is an interior clean. So a little wipe down on the dash, but what they want is just try to get as best as I can an interior. Obviously, something like this, I can only do so much, but it'll definitely look a lot better than how they brought it in. I know that for sure. So I threw in a little wash. I put a little bee maker. Right here, using MCR. This car was pretty beat up. I just finished shampooing. I used the P&S 3 system, the Terminator carpet cleaner, and then I just finished doing the finisher. Just that way there's avoid wicking. So I'm just gonna do a little section. My Scrub Ninja. Where is it? I use this just to give me useless product. So this car was pretty dirty. So this MCR, I bust it out when the cars are pretty beat up. So this one don't got a screen, so I'm just kind of doing a little wipe right here. 1 to 15. I'd like to take little sections. So I like the steam to disinfect everything. I still got to get this section, but I just want to take section for section. So with the steam, I like this steam because it disinfects everything. I just shoot the vents. So I shoot the vents, it comes out there. So with the steam, get all that nastiness in the vents. I'm going to recommend to the customer to change their cab filters if they beat up. Oh, it's right here. I already cleaned that section, so I'm just gonna do a wipe. Oh yeah, that MCR came out using Koch Chemie MCR. I had to finish this car quick, so I do one with the initial wipe. I'm just using old pearl towels that I use. This car was pretty beat up, so I just got my air tube. This helps to dry. There we go. Some MCR. I'm not shy with the product. You know, especially when the car was pretty dirty. It was pretty dirty, I know. I didn't get a chance to record some of the stuff because sometimes I was in the rush and I try to get most of it done. So I'm just using the Scrub Ninja. All that stuff lifted off. MCR just makes the job easier. I mean, obviously when there's beat up, you're still gonna put some elbow grease, but that's all right. I always have a good experience with the Koch Chemie line. So use the foamer just to get in the nooks and crannies. So I shoot it down because when I call it shoots out water. Just want to disinfect everything. Especially here where you put your armrest, you really want to disinfect all that stuff. So same thing. Mop it up with this one, with the first one. And it comes out real nice. I think this towel was already good. This towel is gone to the dirty. So I always carry plenty of towels, especially for interiors. This one just helps get all that stuff that... It just helps get all that stuff. That came out nice compared to how it was. Look at what this is, a Polestar. We use the applicator right here. Look at those faded this one. I mean, is it gonna come out perfect? But watch what this product does. This is made for plastics. Just look at this. When you're working with a beautiful product, obviously it's a little wet. Look at it. I mean, this is an old beat up car, and look what it did. Wow. I mean, when it dries up, it dries fast. Look, it's amazing product. You gotta get you some of this stuff right here. Polestar for faded plastics, even new. You want to use this to protect your exterior plastic. Koch Chemie, just showing you right here. Just finished. Right here. I got the fan going. I just steam clean it. A little bit of extraction, but actually it's kind of dry already. I need to get better air dryer, but you know, sometimes we got to do what we got to do. This one does the job. So got that. I threw in the exterior wash, what you know, and then didn't come out perfect. It was beat up, but I'm definitely happy with the results. Came out nice. I don't know, post right here. These seats were trash, but that PNS, it did the job. There's old stainings. It's impossible sometimes, but I shouldn't say the word impossible, but it's just sometimes it just do what you can. Yeah, it came out definitely. This car was beat up. I don't know if you see the before and after, but it came out really nice. I think they're gonna be happy, and they're definitely gonna be happy because I threw in I had the soap ready, so I just threw in a nice little quick wash. Nothing special. They got this at the used. So sometimes you gotta help people, you know. They want to get a good detail, and I do what I can to throw in a little something for them. But yeah, it came out really nice. I'm happy with the results, and I hope they're gonna be happy with the results. This car was definitely pretty beat up. I use MCR Koch Chemie Top.
Oh my God! As you guys seen in the before video, this was like black, and the handle now it's like super clean. He ain't messing around. He's talking business. Old or new, come to Carell's Garage.
Carell's Auto Details.
It does not look like a 2008. I can tell you that. Looking like a 2020.
Oh, this is a 2008?
Yeah, it's looking like a 220, baby.
Hey.
It looks like it's a 2026.
Is it 2026?
Is it a 2026?
I said it's a 2020.
So you're happy?
Yes, I'm a very happy customer. Definitely recommending to everyone.
So you're gonna feel good driving this car?
I'm gonna be driving this like if I was driving a Beanie.
All right, give me a high five.
Job well done.
I win.